I'm very bored today. I don't know what to do right now. What should I do? Do you have any suggestion for me? Why don't you go to the beach right now? I'll accompany you and we can take some pictures there. Oh god, I'm feeling so hot today. What should I do? I think you should turn on the fan. It will be better for us. I just stay at home. I don't have anything to do. How about watching movie at the cinema? It would be interesting. I'm sure. Oh, I have a stomachache. I think last night I ate a lot of spicy food at the restaurant we visit. You can go to the doctor, friend. Ready Doni di sini. Hi everyone. I hope all of you are in a good condition and always have a spirit. And don't forget to always follow the health protocol by government. Jadi jangan lupa untuk melakukan atau mengikuti protokol kesehatan selama pandemi ini. Alright, I think it's the time for us to learn English again. Ini adalah saatnya yang paling tepat untuk kita mempelajari bahasa Inggris. Nah, tadi saya telah memberikan beberapa contoh mengenai bagaimana menanyakan atau meminta suggestion atau saran dan juga memberikan suggestion atau saran. Nah, in this part of the video, I'll give you how to ask for the suggestion and how to give the suggestion. Iya, dalam meminta sebuah pendapat kepada seseorang atau asking for suggestion atau asking for recommendation, we can say, kita dapat mengatakan, what should I do? What should I do? Atau what must I do? What must I do? Atau juga bisa, do you have any suggestion for me? Do you have any suggestion for me? Do you have any advice for me? Do you have any advice for me? Do you have any recommendation for me? Do you have any recommendation for me? Atau juga bisa, could you give me an advice for me? Could you give me an advice for me? Atau juga bisa, can you give me any recommendation please? Can you give me any recommendation please? Would you like to give me your recommendation? Would you like to give me your recommendation? Now, I think this is the best time for us to know how to give our own suggestion to somebody else. Ini adalah saatnya kita mempelajari bagaimana caranya memberikan suggestion kita atau saran kita kepada seseorang. Yang pertama, kita bisa menggunakan should. Should artinya seharusnya. Kata should itu diikuti verb one atau kata kerja pertama, kata kerja dasar. Seperti contoh tadi, you should turn on the fan. You should turn on the fan. Kamu seharusnya menyalakan kipas angin. Tentunya kita juga bisa menggunakan modal verb atau kata kerja bantu yaitu can. Can artinya bisa atau dapat. Contoh dalam dialog tadi yaitu, you can go to the doctor. You can go to the doctor. Kamu bisa pergi ke dokter. Oh ya, kata can itu artinya dapat ya, yang mengungkapkan suatu ability atau kemampuan. Tetapi kata can di sini juga merupakan bentuk dari cara memberikan saran atau suggestion. Jadi ketika saya misalnya merasa bosan, I'm so bored today. I just do anything here. What should I do? Lalu teman kalian mengatakan, I think you can go to the beach. Atau I think we can watch the movie. Nah, kata can di situ maksudnya adalah suggestion, bukan semata-mata mengungkapkan suatu ability atau kemampuan. Lalu berikutnya kita bisa menggunakan why don't you? Why don't you? Nah, why don't you ini diikuti verb one atau kata kerja dasar, kata kerja pertama atau bare verb. Contoh dalam dialog tadi adalah why don't you go to the beach? Why don't you go to the beach? Mengapa kamu tidak pergi ke pantai? Gitu. Tapi ini tergantung subjeknya ya. Kalau misalnya kita memberi suggestion atau saran kepada si dia atau mereka, maka berubah menjadi why doesn't she go to the beach? Atau why don't they study a lot? Why don't they study hard? Mengapa mereka tidak belajar dengan giat? Gitu. Jadi bisa menggunakan why don't atau why doesn't. It depends on the subject. Selain itu kita bisa menggunakan what about atau how about. Di mana what about dan what about itu diikuti oleh verb ing atau kata kerja bentuk ing. Contohnya, what about going to the beach? How about going to the beach? Ya, atau what about watching cinema? What about watching movie in the cinema? Itu yang benar ya. Nah, seperti itu. Jadi bisa how about atau what about diikuti verb. Ya, itulah tadi beberapa penjelasan singkat mengenai asking for suggestion, meminta saran, dan juga giving suggestion, memberikan saran. Semoga video ini bermanfaat bagi kalian semua, and see you to the next video. Oh yeah, I'm still single. I don't have girlfriend. What should I do?